Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to explain you about tags, attributes and elements. So let's get started. So first we have tags. So what are tags? So tags are building blocks of HTML. They are enclosed in angle brackets and usually comes in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. So let me write it down. So tags are building blocks of HTML. They are enclosed in angle brackets. This one is the angle bracket and they usually comes in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. Closing tag has a forward slash. So let me give you example. So this one is a paragraph tag. Similarly, we can have h1 tag, which is used for bigger headings. So we have h1 till h6 tags for headings, which are used according to the importance of the headings. While h1 is used for bigger headings, which is of most importance, and h6 is used for smaller headings, which is of least importance. So let me show you this. For now, don't worry about the HTML structure. That I will explain in the later on videos. So as you can see, this is the bigger heading. Now let us use H6. So you can see the difference between the headings. This one is the bigger heading and this one is the smaller heading. Similarly, we can have a div tag and a span tag. And we have many tags like this, which you can study when you will study about HTML. Later on, you will get to know about these tags. Although we have plenty of tags. So now let us move on to HTML elements. So what is an HTML element? So an HTML element is everything from starting tag to the end tag. So as you know, this one is the start tag and this one is the end tag. And this one is known as our content. So this combined link from start tag to the end tag known as HTML element. But for some HTML elements, we don't have any content, like the BR tag, which is used to break the line. These are called as empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. As you can see, it doesn't have an end tag. Now let's move on to attribute. So what is an attribute? Attributes are those which provides additional information about the element. And attributes are included in opening tags always. So let me write it down. So attributes are those which provides additional information about the element. They are always included in opening tags. So let me show you with example. So here in the A tag, as you can see, this href is the attribute. Similarly, we can have, so as you can see in the image tag, this src and alt is an attribute. So for now, don't worry about these tags, A tag and image tag. This I will explain in my later on videos. But for now, remember this, href and here src and alt. These are known as attributes. So yep, that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful and understood in a better way. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.